I draw in this piece of paper the shape that I have to cut in the wooden strip. The radius of that arc is not very important. The important part is to leave a thin strip in the top of the arc, so I am sure that later I can bend that thin strip. So now I can copy this shape on the wooden strip. Okay, maybe instead of paper I should use cardboard. Well, here I have a quarter circle. It is 42 millimeters in diameter. So if I use the formula to calculate the circumference of a circle, 2 times p times the radius divided by 4, because I only have quarter circumference, then the length of this arc is 66 millimeters. Yeah, perfect. I can keep drawing the shape that I have to cut. This is the thin strip that I have to bend later. And this is the part of the wood that I have to remove. Here the workpiece bumps into the support, but you already know that I can move the support to one side. To cut here, I will have to use the hand-marked jigsaw. And now I have to bend the wood. So I will say cook the workpiece in boiling water. That small wooden block helps to avoid ugly cracks in the beginning of the curve. I think it will be better to shape it little by little. After repeating the process several times, I managed to bend the wood following the entire curve. But well, I have to adjust the piece so the parts fit. I cook this one last time, and finally I can curve the wood to make the final joint. When the piece is cold and well dry, I can glue it. I let the glue dry, and I have used some wood paste to close some small gaps. I sand the wood carefully. You can find in the information of this video the links to watch how I made this disc sander. And here I have this curious and nice piece. I have to say that it was more difficult to make than I expected. I am not sure if this is very useful, but well, you know, I had to try to make it. I don't know, maybe it can be a nice joint in the front of the armrest in a modern chair. But my question is, can we say that this is a wooden joint? Thanks for watching. If you think this is an interesting woodworking technique, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell to get all the notifications when I upload a new video.